Okay, it's a beautiful fall day and I am about to set out on the Penasquitos Canyon hike, a wonderful oasis in the middle of San Diego. You might see a few horses on this trail.
I turned right at the ranch house crossing to cross the creek. And then once across, I made a left here to continue along the north side of the canyon.
You can hear the fighter jets from Miramar.
Got to take this quick detour to see the waterfall.
Lots of these little single tracks that wander around. So I had to pick it up here and there, but still doing well. It's fun.
Cross to the south side of the wagon wheel crossing and head back. This bouncy bridge was a lot of fun. I did it twice.
And up here, you just gotta turn left.
I took a short break at the waterfall. This is on the south side.
And we're back at the ranch house crossing. Just a little bit to go.
And that completes the approximately 12-mile loop. You can find a trail map for this hike on the City of San Diego website.